Rule against perpetuities. The rule against perpetuities is a complex property law doctrine that prevents property interests from vesting too far into the future. Because of its complexity, many modern jurisdictions have heavily modified or abolished it, sometimes replacing it with a statutory wait-and-see approach. This notorious English common law rule was designed to prevent aristocratic families from locking up land ownership indefinitely. The classic rule states that no property interest is valid unless it must vest, if at all, no later than 21 years after the death of a legally identifiable person alive when the interest was created. If there is even a remote theoretical possibility that the transfer could occur outside this timeframe, the grant is entirely void. Though frustrating for law students, it forces land to remain freely transferable in the open market. For example, imagine a billionaire leaves a will creating a trust. The trust directs that his estate will eventually pass to the first of his descendants to travel to Mars. Because a descendant might travel to Mars hundreds of years from now, long after the 21-year limit, this grant violates the rule against perpetuities. A judge applying the strict common law rule would immediately invalidate the provision. The estate would likely pass directly to his current heirs instead.